What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of our build series. And for today's video, again, we're going to unbox this Defender version 5 Traitor to Tyranny with jetpack on its packaging. So yeah, we have already unboxed another previously the Traitor to Tyranny. But this one, this is a completely different set. So hoping that we can get a different content on this box, like the one that we have here, which is going to be Jetfire in special armor, Galvatron, the upgraded Megatron, special galaxy type, both Galvatron and Jetfire, regular Jetfire and Galvatron, Sideswipe, the trailer truck for Optimus Prime with its roller, Onslaught, the Jetfire vehicle mode or the jet mode, Swindle in vehicle mode, Sunstreak, Viewfinder, the one that we previously had, Optimus Prime in Brilliant, Soundwave. We got that one, but this one is special galaxy type in Cyclonus. So let's start and unbox this Blokees and let's see what's inside. Let's go. Alright, so again, this is a completely sealed box, so we're going to get the need of our the help of our handy dandy tools later. So for now, let's remove the plastic and yeah, so completely sealed box. Next time we don't buy Blokees from any local store that is not completely sealed and doesn't have any does have tapes, something like that. So let's unbox this. Whoa, awesome. So we got a proper unbox on this one. Yeah, and it's completely sealed. Everything is set. We got our Blokees here. Quite a lot of parts. So we have. So okay, we got the silica gel as well. Let's put that aside. Who is it gonna be on the Blokees? It's going to be Sunstreak. So we got Sunstreak here, and let's try here. Sunstreak, I'm not particularly familiar with Sunstreak, but let's see the history or a brief description for Sunstreaker. So let's go ahead and build Sunstreaker. Yay! Alright, so we got everything set for Sunstreaker. We're just going to unpack him from this packaging, hoping we don't lose any parts from him. Then later on, let's delve into his brief background. So yeah, I think everything is already set here. Let's go ahead and build Sunstreaker. Alright, so we got the Sunstreaker here, and it's already built. So based on its history, Sunstreaker was introduced in the animated series of Transformers, the Generation 1, along with the old Transformer series that we have watched. So he is a narcissistic yellow Lamborghini switching Autobot warrior, and he is the brother of Sideswipe. And as a part of the ARC's crew, the one who joined moving to Earth, okay, he is defined by his vanity, considering himself the most perfect creation of Primus, yet functioned as a skilled frontline fighter. So that's the brief history of Sunstreaker, and I'm not sure why is it like that. He is a brother of Sideswipe, but he's completely narcissistic, so he thinks about himself. But anyways, it's a good thing that we got another Autobot in our lineup, because most of the ones that we got previously was for Decepticons. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you would not miss any build series that we're going to post on our Facebook and also our YouTube page. By the way, my Facebook page is Ybrik Builds as well, same as my YouTube page. So don't forget to visit that, and like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube, Facebook, and further, I think I'm gonna expand on doing shorts with TikTok. So that's it again. See you guys next time. Peace.